What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook with another amazing recipe. Juicy fried chicken with glazed pineapple sauce, restaurant style in my kitchen, fast, easy and simple. If you're here watching me cooking for your very first time, make sure that you have subscribed. If you have not already, go ahead and do so and turn on the post notification settings to be reminded every time your girl upload a brand new video. Make we jump right into it. In my eyes, you're a star, girl. Hey, she fit me, and she give me love plenty. Yeah, she authentic. This are the real thing. Now, goodie, at your request, this pineapple glaze sauce is here, and I'm going to dip that good old fried chicken up in that thing, and we're going to do this fast, easy, and simple. So let's get started. Now, to get started, you need your chicken of choice. I'm using thighs. Now, it's simple to season this thing up. We're going to add some black pepper to it, garlic powder, onion powder, lemon pepper seasoning, because I wanted to have that little summery flavor to it, chicken seasoning, and you could also substitute that chicken season for anything you like, and some paprika. And all the amount for the recipe here will be listed down in the description box, so make sure you go down there and check that out. Now, your girl never leave home without apple cider vinegar, so I'm going to go ahead and add that to the mix. And just a tad bit of that extra virgin olive oil to the mix. Now I'm going in with my green season, and the green season I'm using is the one that I made at home. And I'm going to add some dried parsley to it as well. Going in with my clean nice on them and get a really good mix and combine it all together. And I'm going to let it sit and chill for definitely 30 minutes. Now, if you like, you could sit it in a refrigerator overnight. It's going to taste better than here, but for me, everything is always fast, easy, and simple, and it always still tastes good. Cover it up nice and just let it chill in the kitchen somewhere nice for 30 minutes. That's all I'm doing here, 30 minutes. Now, while that is chilling, in another container, I'm going to add my flour. And I'm using all-purpose flour. And again, all the amount for this recipe will be listed down in the description box, right? Now, I did go in with some cornstarch to the mix. And that could be substituted for tapioca starch as well. Me use tapioca starch all the time to fry my chicken, and it come out nice and crispy still. Now here is where I added the salt into the flour. I did not add any directly on the chicken earlier. I went in with some onion powder, garlic powder, and I did add quite a lot of the garlic powder to it. Chicken seasoning, of course, and you can substitute that out for whatever you like. Lemon pepper seasoning, black pepper for sure, and my paprika. Go in and dab that all up in there. Give it a really good combination mix just to make sure you have everything nicely combined right there. And that looks also good. Don't be afraid to taste your flour to make sure that it is how you like it. I did go back in and added a little bit more chicken seasoning to mine because I wanted to have flavor. You know, my flour must have flavor, right? And gave it a good mix. And that sums that up. It was pretty good after the chicken seasoning, right? Yeah. Moving right along, after 30 minutes, my chicken is ready. So that's what it looks like after it's all soaked up for 30 minutes, and you could do it for longer than that if you like. Now all I'm going to do here is go in and add the chicken into the flour mix like that, and we are definitely going to be double dipping this chicken right here, and we're not using any milk, and we're definitely not using any eggs right here. Just go in and press it in with your hands to make sure that the flour is all soaked up into the chicken skin, and set it aside. Press, 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 press. Right, just like that. Okay, that is what it looks like after you're all done, and you're going to let it sit for 30 minutes. Cover it up with a plastic wrap, room temperature, 30 minutes, right? After 30 minutes, you're going to go back in. And what you're going to do here after that 30 minutes is go back in and dip it again into the flour mix. So that's why it's called double dipping. Double dipping, no milk and no eggs. At this step, you want to make sure that your oil is already getting hot over there, and it's supposed to be at 350 degrees. And that is what it looked like after you have all done double dipping, right? Double dip. That's your oil right there, and your oil getting again should be at 350 degrees. Oh, you know, say your oil ready for fry up. Get your wooden spoon, that is your best friend, and if the wooden spoon is frying just like that, your oil is ready to go. If it now bubble up like that, try to put the chicken in there. You got a flour chicken. Once you put your chicken into the oil, it's going to start frying immediately at 350 degrees. Eat at least to have the perfect crunchy, crispy fried chicken in your kitchen, stovetop style. I'm not using the deep fryer. You wanted me to do stovetop, so your girl is giving you just that. Now when your chicken is all done frying, it is going to float on the top of the oil. That is when you know it is all done frying. If it now float, it don't cook yet. Give it some more time and allow it to float. And you can see here we have crispy, crunchy, perfectly done fried chicken in your kitchen. Fast, easy, and what? Simple, right? Perfect. That is perfect. And that is your second fried chicken right there. I actually like my second set of fried chicken because the oil already changed from the first batch, and it gives the chicken an even more better color than the first batch. I really do like when my oil change like that. Look at that. That chicken is perfect. All the flavor from that seasoning in the flour makes it look so overly delicious, and it is going to be perfect when you dip it to that good sauce, right? Now you just want to go ahead and remove those chicken and sit them aside and let them go and chill while we make our what? Pineapple sauce. Okay, to make it, it's very simple. Just go ahead and add your ketchup into the frying pan. And again, the recipe will be listed down in the description box. All the amount. Go in with your honey of choice, that is. We are adding our pineapple juice to the mix right here. Do not add water, do not add orange juice, pineapple juice only. Then I'm going in with some unsalted butter, and you could use salted if you like. Give it a good mix and put it on the stove top and allow it to combine nicely like that. Then you add the pineapple slices into it. I added 3 pineapple slices. Of course, you could add more. What we're looking for here is the flavor, not just from the pineapple juice, but from the pineapple slices as well. Allow it to bubble and simmer, just like so, on medium heat, low to medium heat, until it is all glazed up and it looks like that. perfect. That is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. You see that? That glaze right there is oh so yummy. That is exactly how you want it to be. Nothing more and nothing less. Okay? Now we are getting ready to make that chicken oh so yummy. So all you have to do is go ahead and put the chicken inside of the pot, right? And just get the sauce up on that chicken while it is still bubbling, while it is still hot and bubbling. You're going to have that pineapple flavor all up on that chicken from top to bottom. Top to bottom. When you are all done, sit it on the plate. It is perfect for serving. You just want to serve it up like that. You go ahead and you serve it up on the plate just like that for your guests. They're going to be oh so happy. Oh so happy. The thing is smelling and looking so good. So good, right? Now, if you don't want to do all of that, just go ahead and serve it as an individual meal, just like that. It is going to be just as beautiful, and your guest is going to be just as happy. Goodie, when you take your first bite in this pineapple fried chicken, you will never forget its flavor. It is something to be reckoned. That pineapple glazed sauce is no joke. I'm telling you, you're gonna love from the first to the last bite. Make sure that you're sharing the recipe with your friends and family, neighbors, anybody where you come in contact with. Share this recipe. It is good for just about any occasion. Now, congratulations to all the winner of the giveaway, and don't forget, it's very simple to enter. All you have to do is have your notification on and say, well, I'm the first, I'm the second, or the third. Go over to Instagram and leave your address there, and your gift will be in the mail. Now, tell me what you'd like to have me cooking next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!